Good evening. Can do better.
Yes, sir. 2 questions are correct.
Yeah, we which paper is
It's
this?
a geography. Should get it.
Okay. All fine now. Given necessary directions. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Huh? That's nothing to know. Last yeah. So this was probability completed, no?
Yes, sir.
Homework was done.
Yes, sir.
Those are done homework, please start it. As others say. The remaining
Yes, sir.
What half year? Which chapter you learn? Which chapter you learn? That is the class you learn. No? Can you show me one question in your head? Can you show one question in your head? No. Why are you doing cell? No, I am not. Ask her. What project? This is the year from. This is 1 week I am hearing this project. What about you? Huh? No. You? Project. Sit down, Why are you always standing? Yeah. Probability is done now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next chapter we have to do is reflection. You know what is reflection? Have you seen the mirror image?
Yes, sir.
What is okay? Explain what is the mirror image? Mirror image. So inverted image. So you will see mirror image. You will see inverted.
No, sir. Left will become right. Right will become left.
Bouncing back of like
Reflection will
Yeah. Hello, Nidhi. Sit down somewhere. Repeating what happened while you're late? Because you are doing homework. Huh?
Oh my God. I'm sleeping.
Yeah. Yeah, open your notebook, all of you. I think notebook opening in volume 1. Very good. Yeah. Yeah, all of you be quiet now. Vishal, what happened? Very good. Keep the glass to a side. All of you. I asked you to, this is a notebook. This one, I don't need this piece of glass. Yours only. What is going on? This one by one, I have to make you quiet on. So write down, I think chapter 18, right? Reflection. Chapter number 12. Chapter 12. So I will now I need to sit in this side and then I will move here. This side. But understand reflection?
Yes.
Okay. Right, what is reflection? When an object is placed before a plane mirror. When an object is placed before a plane mirror. The image of the same. The image of the same is formed at the same distance. Image of the same is formed at the same distance behind the mirror. Behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. As the object is in front of it. What is the meaning of this section? Yes, read one.
When an object is placed before a plane mirror, the image of the same is formed at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it.
Anything followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are seeing the image of something when you stand up in front of your mirror, na?
Yes.
Okay. So when you where is the mirror image comes? On the mirror.
At the same distance.
The surface of the mirror. Okay, now look here. Now look here. When you stand in front of the mirror, you see one monkey is looking at you, na? Okay, you are looking at it. Okay, yeah. When you moving towards it, what happens? The image also coming. Acha. Okay, understood or not? So that means the distance between the object and the mirror is same as the distance between the image and the mirror. Now look here. Now reflection of the point I am going to explain. If I am going to tell about this one, let's say, be quiet and listen. Stay standard. Since long time you are talking. What business you have with these girls? This Vishal. Only one Vishal. That is enough and more for us, no? Because they stand up from there. Yes, you. Only one Vishal. Why you are troubling all of them?
Me? I am not even talking.
So both same equally good. Now look here. Over here there is a point. Now. Bye. Yeah, over here. Then now where is the image? Image means first of all you have to see this one mirror. Okay, so that means mirror is considered as, let's say, as a line. Now, how to get the image means we will draw the perpendicular and extend to below such that an equal distance. This distance, let's say these two distances are equal and this is perpendicular. Then P dash is the image of P with respect to the line L. Line L is called the mirror. Okay. Now suppose if the mirror was kept over here, let's say here, then is it this image?
No.
It's not the image. What you have to do? From here you have to draw the perpendicular. Let's say if it is coming over here, let's say P double dash is the mirror. This is image of P with respect to the line T. So that means this line mirror will act as the perpendicular bisector of line segment P dash. When these two are equal and the angle is 90 degree. Or this mirror will act, this is called the mirror with respect to reflection you are seeing. Or for imagine at your house, there are 3 mirrors are there. Your image over there, image over here. Different now. The same distances are there. The same property it is coming. With respect to, what is a reflection means? With respect to what line? Understood or no? Over here. So you are going to, this is the one. And this is the way to get the image. Now here in this chapter, basically you are going to study as it's nothing much over there. Reflection in X means when X axis is the mirror, what will be the reflection of the point? In or reflection in Y means Y-axis is the mirror, reflection in Y. And the third one is called reflection about a point. That means reflection in origin. These are the three things. Or even if it is point means correspondingly triangle also reflected to three different points and new reflected triangle will get like that we saw here. For this one, first and foremost thing is you should know the basic of coordinate geometry. You know now? Yes, sir. So let me quickly revise. Okay. Quickly let's go to this basic concept of the mirror you got now. So coordinate geometry is called you basically this coordinate will be given. What will be the reflection? What is the coordinate of this one? If it is x-axis, what will be this point? Or if it is y-axis, or accordingly that like that we have to find out. So coordinate geometry. Okay, plane all of you know. What is plane? Any flat circles? Okay, plane. Okay. How when it is coming to, I am going to go to the Cartesian plane. You know what is x-axis?
Yes, sir.
What is x-axis?
So the horizontal
Horizontal line is called horizontal. Okay, now horizontal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's parallel to the
Sir, x-axis.
parallel. Okay, horizontal line. Where y-axis, vertical line. X-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other. They meet at the point origin. Point called the origin. What is the coordinate of the origin? 0, 0. Okay, what is the meaning of perpendicular?
90
Okay, this is all x-axis. What are x-axis and y-axis?
horizontal. So two planes.
Two planes.
No, not planes.
What are x-axis and y-axis?
X.
They are two number lines. X-axis is one number line, y-axis is another number line. Okay, they meet at the point, that point. That is where we mark the numbers, no, number line. Okay.
So can they be referred to as two dimensions, 2D?
Two dimension?
So 2D figure.
2D means x-axis. Look here, what is x-axis means? X-axis is not a plane, x-axis is a line. Y-axis is a line. The plane formed by the x-axis, y-axis is called the Cartesian plane, coordinate plane, or xy plane. 2D plane. Okay, understood. Flat circle. So, what do you mean by Cartesian plane?
The
The
plane
plane
formed by x-axis and y-axis.
or coordinate plane, xy plane. All these. Okay, that is this one. Now, x-axis, y-axis. Little more we have to dispense. There is no problem now.
No problem.
Okay, so I will draw naming x-axis, y-axis. All of you know.
Yes,
X dash, y dash. All the making at the point.
0, 1, 2, 3, -1.
There are a lot of people. Srishti say what happened here? What happened? You are the person keep on everything to job and now you are selling to.
I didn't say anything.
What happened? Okay. Now x-axis and y-axis are two number lines in the thing. X-axis. Now next is coming is x-axis and y-axis divide the plane into four what?
Segments.
Four segments. Four segments. Very good.
Four segments.
Four
Quadrants. Sorry. Quarters.
X-axis.
Yes, sir.
X-axis, y-axis divide the plane into four quadrants. Four. Okay. Quadrant. Name of the quadrant, you know? First, second, third, fourth. Anyone knows which is first quadrant?
X and Y.
I will ask. Anyone knows means you know? Yes. That one. So,
Top right.
So top right means you can tell X O Y or Y O X. This is called the first quadrant. All of you heard about clockwise and anti-clockwise direction? Okay, chalo. Quadrants are going in which direction? Anti-clockwise. Okay, what is the second quadrant? X dash or X dash O Y. That is the second quadrant. Please remember these are very basic things. Third quadrant, x dash or y dash. Okay, fourth quadrant,
Y dash to X.
is which all of you know?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know how to mark a point, coordinate of a point?
Yes.
Do you know coordinate of a point in the form of an ordered pair, x, y. Suppose if it is coming as x comma y means 3 comma let's say minus 2. Okay, coordinate of a point. Who can tell me how to mark this point? Yes, Reva is waiting since long time. I did not ask. Okay, how to mark 3 comma minus 2 if I ask you? Please stand up and tell fast now. 1 point out G. 1 point out 3. Okay, how many points? How to mark the point 3 comma minus 2? Graph paper is given. Plot the point 3 comma minus 2 means where you want it. Please show you. Are speak now. Do you know? Vaishnavi. Do you know how to mark the point? Stand up. No. I don't. Okay. Hello. Ishani. Do you know how to mark the point 3 comma minus 2? Chivangi will tell. Huh? Negative and positive. You know what is negative and not positive? Then how to plot? Tell. We will. Oh. Yes, Sanskriti. How to mark the point 3 comma minus 2? Do you know? नहीं आपसे नहीं भेजो ना. Oh, okay, say. Yeah. Arey pass. Are you telling? It's already 10 minutes are over. We are 10 minutes to plot the point. You know, plot the point which is studied. Which standard you studied plotting the point? 9. This is formula. Okay. Now, okay, moving there. Okay. It's the yes, sir, if you don't know, tell. Whether
First, you have to point out the mark that
1, 2, 3, where I have to mark?
X-axis.
X-axis, where I will put. All of you be quiet. Okay. Where I will mark? Tell now. X 1, 2, 3. Here I will mark 1, 2, 3. How will I mark 1, 2, 3? Simply. According to the graph. How will I mark? 1, 2, 3. Can I mark this way? So equal distance you will mark the points you mean to say. Okay. So if I take it as this as 1, equal at least 2, 3, 4. Okay, then marking. So it's keep on how much I have to mark? Y dash is negative. So positive side is OX and the negative side is OX dash. Positive side is OY, negative side. So it is -1, -2, -3 and so on. This side. So -1. Then here, this side. Positive. Sure, no? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you said. Okay, at least you said something good. Then how will you plot this point now?
Take that X3.
X3. Okay, this 3 is taken.
Certain line that intersects from -2 and X3.
So you have to draw perpendicular from 3 and perpendicular to -2. Where it is meeting, that point is called this one. Avi, thank you very much, dear.
4.
Finally, finally I had to ask 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8, maybe more are there. 9th person is giving a code how to plot a point. Right? Sit down on it. First time you are seeing this one, how to plot the point? All of you know how to plot the point? Yes. Okay, Vishal wanted to tell how to mark the point 0, 3. Vishal, stand up. You are Vishal.
Then it will be, the point will be in y-axis.
Point will be y-axis where?
3 on.
On 3. So this point, sure. Very good, Vishal. 0, 3. That means if x value is equal to 0, point is on y-axis. If y value is equal to 0, point is on x-axis. These are not joking, okay? These all things here studied in 7th standard or 8th standard, plotting the point. Graph drawing and all, you must have studied in 8th standard, draw the line and plot the point and all. Basic or fundamentals only. Okay, now, so coordinate of a point is of the form x, y. Now, in the first quadrant, this plotting part all of you followed?
Yes, sir.
Once again. Talking is very important, no? This page all of you followed?
Yes, yes.
Okay, in your first quadrant, anything can tell? Stand up. Preparing work later. Please close the pen and keep it a while. One more pen if you hold on. Yeah. Tell. Loudly.
Positive x and positive y.
So x and y, both x and y are positive. That means coordinate is of the form plus and plus. Sit down. In second quadrant. Okay, thank you. X is minus and y is plus. Okay, very good. Sit down. Third quadrant. Both are negative. Okay. Now, fourth quadrant.
Sorry, positive negative.
X is positive, y is negative. All of you identified the four quadrants now? Okay, yes, Paras, you not followed. Followed? No, this way I am showing followed. What? Okay, followed. Okay, Paras, 3, minus 2 is in which quadrant? Stand up. Tell fast. Put the hand down. 3, minus, do you know how to read this one? P 3, minus 2, which is in which quadrant? Huh? Oh, Ritu said. No. Sure now? Third quadrant. How did you identify which is in third quadrant? Both x, very good. Both x and y are negative, therefore it is in third quadrant. Sit down. Nidhi. Nidhi. Oh, she is nowadays, she doesn't call Nidhi, she will not. CPD I have to call her. Okay. Chalo. 3, 0 in which quadrant? First quadrant. Agreed? Okay, Ritu. 3, 0 is in which quadrant? Yes. First. Okay, Vrukshita. On the OS. 3, 0 is in which quadrant? I asked you. Loudly.
It is on the line.
It is not in any quadrant. Understood or not? Sit down. X-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis does not belong to any quadrant. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. So if a point is on x-axis, it does not belong to quadrant. It belongs to x-axis. On the y-axis also it is on x-axis. Understood? 0, minus 5. On the y-axis. Are you followed this one? Okay. This much is okay now? Now, next is x coord. Shesa, you did not give me answer till now. X coordinate is also known as X coordinate is also known as. Okay. Saksham, We are searching for x coordinate. Standard. X coordinate is also known as. All of you close the. No. The positive x coordinate is always positive. The x coordinate. Okay, then.
Abscissa.
Whatever.
Yeah.
And balance.
Coordinate.
Balance coordinates.
Hello, sit down. Hello, close that book.
Sir,
All of you close it. Okay, here, listen here. Stop talking. All of you close the volume and listen here. These all, another one started. Oh, like that, we to at least open the. Okay, this is called this is all called the abscissa. Okay, then y coordinate is ordinate. Okay, remember these two. Abscissa means x coordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. What is this called?
Abscissa.
This is called coordinate. Okay, so we will say as, look here, 3, let's say example, 3,5 is the coordinate of a point whose abscissa is 3, ordinate is 5. Along, suppose we do 3, minus 5. Abscissa is 3 and minus 5 is coordinate, and the coordinate is 3, minus 5. That means okay now?
yes, sir.
No problem?
No, sir.
So these all conditions, there is no problem. Basic, this is the basic coordinate of we plotting the points, all of you know. Okay, right? Plotting all of you know, no? So we write 2 conditions in your notebook. If a point is on the x-axis, if a point, abscissa and ordinate, you want to write? Those who not, okay. Those who want to write. No, right? If a point is on the x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. If a point is on the x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0. And the point is of the form x, 0. If a point is on the x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. And the point is of the form x, 0. Okay, next one. If a point is on the y-axis, if a point is on the y-axis, then its x coordinate is 0. If a point is on the y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. What is happening? X coordinate is 0 and the point is 0, y. 0, y. Written?
Yes.
Okay. Now, below, third condition, third concept. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to x plus. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Next, equation of y-axis is, my language is not audible to you or you can't understand. No, I'm just saying the language. Yeah, they are trying to do even here and there. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. What is the origin?
0, 0,
Okay. Which one is answer?
Yes,
Do you know
sir.
why it is called y? Equation of y, x-axis is y equal to 0. Because on the x-axis value of y is equal to 0. That is why it is called y equal to 0. Opposite. Okay. You can just make a rough figure of this one. So that at least later you can just make a small. Whose is that scale? Give it back. Who, with whose permission you have taken? Huh? Hello? small enough. Okay.
So is it that all quadrants are denoted by Roman numerals?
And these are, this is not Roman numeral, this is capital X, capital Y. This 1, 2, 3, 4 is. And this not much small x, capital X, capital Y. Complete that, Ron? Avni, all okay now? Ron, follow this one. Now you know how to plot the point, these all things, which concept you know, all of you. Oh. Next one. Yeah. Next is, listen all of you. I'm going to talk about the reflection, what is the case, how it is coming as a reflection. Suppose if I take a point, let's say point P, whose coordinate is 2, let's say 4. You know how to get the point 2, 4.
Yes.
How will you take along the x-axis 2 units, along the y-axis 4 units per pen, all of you know. Now I need to reflect it along the x-axis. I said already that means x-axis will be called the mirror line or mirror. Okay. Now reflecting means you have to draw the perpendicular and extend it to a point so that this will get P dash. These two distances are equal. This is perpendicular. Now, if it is perpendicular means this x value will remain the same. So 2 will remain as 2. Then it is in this length will remain length, but the quadrant is changed. Therefore, it will come as minus 4. Therefore, the image of or reflection of P in x-axis is P dash. That means reflection of 2, 4 in x-axis is 2, minus 4. Are you followed how it is getting?
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi, please listen here. Don't reflect something else you hear. You're thinking something. Mummy is cooking some food, nice food. No. Actually, you have to do. Understood all of you? Even opposite also. Suppose if you are reflecting this way, it will back to the same thing. Reflection of 2, 4 in x-axis is what? 2, minus 4. Reflection of 2, minus 4 in x-axis is? Are you followed?
Yes.
Understood now? Now you must have noticed when you reflected in x-axis, what changes? Only y coordinate becomes its opposite side. X values remain. First property understood now?
Yes.
Suppose if I am going to reflect in, let's say as which axis? Y axis. So same way we will make it a perpendicular. So perpendicular, okay, it's coming over here. This is parallel to the x-axis means then the what will be coming as the y coordinate will remain as 4 and x value will be minus 2. Are you followed or not?
Yes.
Okay, are you followed?
Yes,
No.
sir.
mx means reflection in x-axis. My means reflection in y-axis. Mo reflection in origin. I repeat, what is mx? Reflection in x-axis. I will make it right. My, okay, right. Mx represents reflection in x-axis. Mx represents reflection in x-axis. My represents reflection in y-axis. And Mo represents reflection in origin. Mx, My, Mo. Are you followed? Now, next is, listen. The condition is this one. Mx of x, y is x, minus y. My of x, y is minus x, y. And Mo of x, y is minus x, minus y. Oh, I did not show how this Mo is coming. See, I will join it this one and extend it to the other. Where it is coming means equal distance minus 2, minus 4. Okay, understood? This is this chapter over. This is the basic and final concept of this one. If you follow this one, means the remaining you can make the three conditions. Okay. Then little additional is there when a line is parallel, then reflection. That approach is similar. So mx x comma y is right now. Mx of x comma y is x comma minus y. Avi, please stop talking. He Bhumiraj is trying to listen. Do you have any problem with it? Why are you troubling him? My of x comma y is minus x comma y, and my of x comma y is first time. Okay, you can see afterwards. You didn't get a chance to see the ring now. Okay, now written.
Yes,
Mx x comma y, my x. Learn.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes,
Yours was
sir.
done. All smart people.
Yes, sir.
Yes. My x comma y. My x comma y. Loudly speak now. Minus x. Minus x comma y. Sure, no? Sure. Yes, no. X comma y. Let's be the same volume. That's it. No, very good. Okay. Okay. Go. Very good. Mx is comma.
Minus x minus
X comma minus. So all of you learn now. I am also asking you, Shannon. Why are you looking the book? Nobody looked the book. You are the only one looked the book. At the my x comma y.
minus x y.
Okay, my minus x comma y.
X y.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
My x comma minus y.
Minus x minus y.
Understand now? What is the meaning? Whatever, if it is mx means y coordinate changes. My means x coordinate changes. Mo means both means sign. Okay, numbers, numeral values. Okay, this much is clear. No problem. No. If any point if I tell means you can find out now. Okay, before that I have to give another term also. Invariant point. Invariant. I-N-V-A-R-I-N-T. No. Invariant. I-N. Invariant point. Written invariant point.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. What is invariant point? Or okay. Any point that remains unaltered. You know what you mean by unaltered?
Yes,
Does not change. Unaltered under the given transformation. Under the given transformation. Are you following? Any point remains unaltered under the given transformation. Mx is the transformation in x-axis. My is the transformation in y. Okay, and mo. So for look here.
We should know that it is invariant point. 50. Sir, invariant because
What is the answer I asked you?
the 5.
5, 0. Yes or no? Both are same thing. Even is P. Sit down. P and P dash are same thing only now. Didi? It's come forward. One step forward. Forest, come forward. One step. Anyway, bother the name. Why you have to go? Come forward.
mx of minus x and y. अरे mx of minus x and y.
Now, okay. Hello. Look at that side. Yeah. So understood all of you. So if it is coming as anything, if it is coming as so both of them are same, therefore it is called invariant point. So can you tell? Huh? Understood. Yes. That means. That means anyone. Any point on x-axis is invariant under the transformation which one? Mx. If a point on x-axis 5, 0 is where? Point on x-axis. It is invariant under the transformation of Mx. Understood? If we take reflection in x-axis, any point on x-axis will be invariant. Means on the mirror, suppose if I take it as I am showing you this one now. If I take this point P, what will be the reflection? How will you get the reflection? I have to make the perpendicular and extend. Suppose if this is the point, how will you get the reflection? That itself. That means any point on the mirror line is invariant. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So any point on y-axis is invariant in the transformation of one y. And how about invariant point with respect to origin? Only origin. Origin is the only invariant point with respect to origin. Isn't it? All others will change now. M of 3, 5 will be what? Minus 3 minus. Only M of 0, 0 is 0, understood? So you can write that one. If a point is on the mirror line, if a point is on the mirror line, then that point is invariant point. Point on the mirror line, then that point is invariant point. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
No problem?
No, sir.
All the concepts are clear now?
Yes.
Now, look here. I know quite a lot of people have not brought the graph paper. There are some people brought the graph paper. I need not have paper, graph paper. The next class, without coming in, I'll show you from here. You stand outside only. Huh? Yeah. Getting wet. Sorry. Raincoat will be provided. It is not because wet and during raincoat. Yeah. This is clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then next another property. Okay. Obtain the right. If the question is asked, they say obtain the reflection in x-axis. How to write means okay, it is given as 3, minus 5. Obtain the reflection in x-axis means what we write? Mx 3, minus 5. Is equal to what we write?
3, 5.
That's all you have to write.
Yes.
Okay, all of you follow.
Yes.
Okay, write one question. Obtain the reflection in x-axis. Reflection in x-axis. Don't wait for me. Not to discuss. Oh, no. Reflection in x-axis. Steps written mx. Don't write this equal to this. At least write basic mx of. Who has done?
Done.
All done. Avni, what is the first answer? Avni का here. Avni is the last page, no? Who said over here at the front page? His answer is yes or no? Okay. Second one. Yeah. Sanskruti. Loudly. See, you don't know. You're scared, no? It's correct only, no? It's correct thing, at least loudly tell, no? Sakit. Huh? So tell loudly, no? Okay, Bhumi. Answer. Minus. Oh, very good. Understood or not? Okay. It's all not done. There is nothing to. But this is because again I tell you when probability started, I said after is easy. After is easy of probability, no? Yes, okay. Same way this also is easy. Very easily you can score the mark. Only at the same time. 1 minus is going to mean presentation. Suppose it is 3 mark, 4 mark question maybe. So if I write this way, 1 mark. If I write this way, 2nd mark. So be careful. Okay. Generally marks are gone for more quite a difficult question, quite a lot of people do get. But for the getting more mark, they are making mistake in this one. More mark means those who get 90%, 90% above and all. Where the mistakes happen. Sir, one silly mistake I did. Not only him, you also. Then why more? Try to avoid the mistakes. Okay?
Yes.
Look here. Now look, I wrote mx into my of 5, 7. Means first I need to reflect in mx. First I have to reflect in y. Then reflect in x now. What this one I will apply now, then only. So when you reflect means mx of into what will be the answer? Minus 5, 7. What did it reflect in which axis we did? Y. Now we reflect in x axis. What is it? Minus 5, minus 7. Yes or no?
Yes.
Check what is m of 5, 7. Understood or not? So you are getting us what happened? Rukshita. You have some problem if you tell. Hello. Do you have any problem? My is equal to minus 5. All others we who has the hello says you have any problem? Are you telling you what is your problem? Tell. Why you keep on talking? You tell if you have any problem. No. When I ask no problem. Ajay, you tell. She would like to ask you. Arey, what is your problem? Tell.
Sir, I didn't get the
It is not mx equal to. We did the transformation with respect to this one. My. What is absent now here? X is absent now here. My is not there now. So what? In this one, what is absent? So that means we are done in transformation in what? Now, look here. How much?
5. Minus 5.
All others is correct. Now, tell what is absent over here? MX is up. So click here and change what is up.
Oh, sorry, I got it.
My. So what we have done transformation, what we have done. So now check from here. What is absent over here? Y. And you can see.
Yes, sir, this is opposite of MX. I got it.
This is opposite of okay now.
Yes.
So transformation. You don't take the transformation first. I'll bring over here. Then okay. Immediate one. Okay. Do it. Understood now? So mx into my is same as mo. Rukshita standard. You standing? Who is talking there? Okay, apply transfer. I cannot hear anything. Otherwise, you shout over here. All of you put your hand down. All Vikshitas, raise your hand. 2,4. Answer on the word. Oh, God, good. What transformation you have to apply first? Sir will apply. Billy, are you able to do? CPD standard. Apply first transformation. Hello? Henceforth, if you ask you everything to him, I will tell you all. Why he is not come to clarify your doubts, okay? He has come to study for him. My you have to do. My minus 2, 4. Which transformation he applied? Transformation in origin, MO. Now what is the answer? 2, 4. Are you followed? First this one you take. Or apply the transformation. So what will you get? Minus 2, opposite sign. Opposite of 2 is how much? Opposite of minus 4. So you got this one. Now take the transformation of this one. So reflection y. How will you do it? Change the sign of x. Y keep it over there. Okay? Alright. Don't try to jump and do this one. Steps right. Okay? Trace. Correct now? Otherwise he will not be happy. Vishal, are you followed? So, tell me a single transformation. Vishal. Tell me a single transformation. You didn't get? Yes, Prasad. Tell me the single transformation here. Okay, Shivam. Tell me the single transformation. Tell na fast. Yes. Bhatia. Okay. Yes, Sriraj. Tell me a single transformation.
MO of 2 and minus 2.
Sander, tell me a single transformation.
This one is the
Amni want to tell. Okay, Amni single transformation. Okay, Shreyas, single transformation.
Single transformation of 2, minus 4 in origin is minus 2, 4.
All of you sit down. Look here. 2, minus 4 transform to what? 2, 4 by how many transformations? 2. So what is single transformation? Instead of that, we'll check mx of 2, minus 4. What will be mx of 2, minus 4? So what is single transformation? Mx. Look over there. What is a single transformation? Mo. Mx into my is same as Mo. Same way. My into Mo is missing one mx. Okay, understood? Mx into Mo will be my. What is the missing one? That will become the single transformation. Here we have done how many transformation? 2 transformation got the answer. With the single transformation, same answer. That is for the single transformation. Understood or not?
Yes.
Now clear? Okay. Single transformation, double transformation, all are followed now. No problem. Sure. 101% easy. Okay, I will do it off. I agree to it. Okay. Okay. So, open your notebook. Acha, notebook is opened in front of you, all of you now?
Yes.
Okay, smart people. So, right. What right I'm telling now? You this careless. Right. If 3a plus 5 divided by 3c plus 5d, all divided by 3c plus 5d. Yes. It is right. 3a plus 5b all divided by 3c plus 5b is equal to 3a minus 5b upon 3c minus 5b. Written.
Yes, sir.
3a minus 5b upon 3c minus 5b.
Question
D. Okay. Numerators on both sides A and B. Denominators on both sides A and D. C and D. And left side both are plus. Right side both are minus. Then show that A, B, C, D are in proportion. Show that A, B, C, D are in proportion. It's a little only now. Every day is in there. Okay. So how quiet she is sitting now? Right. Yeah. Show that it. Chanda. Show that A, B, C, D are in proportion. Who got the answer? Shreyas is talking. No, you are not talking. We are talking. Who got the answer? Acha, it's not for you people. Whom you mind? That is not for me. All of you, how many those who got the answer, please stand up. QED. What is the meaning of QED? Okay. What is the meaning of QED? So, okay. Others did not get. Very good. Please. Sit down. Vaishnavi, explain how do we do? Whenever I ask question, welcome. Alternate. What do you apply? Alternate applied there. Component you will apply. Those who are completed can go home.
Again, alternate.
Why alternate? Proportion upon 20 is equal to 60 upon 20. 6 by 10 multiplied the A upon B equal to C upon D. A by D. A, B. Okay. Written all of you written. Now, next. Now, look here. The next class when you are coming, homework. What homework? One will have next homework. Your 50 questions are pending now. When? Last year. Sorry, last month.
Yes.
Okay, so this one we have to please bring the graph and complete by next. This is not that difficult. We can complete this chapter this one. I need to additional some line parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, how to take the reflection. That will be needed. The remaining all these only points you can do it. Okay. So, but the graph paper is must and compulsory. Okay. Graph book you bring, graph paper bring, or graph sheet bring. Okay. Whatever you wanted to do. Homework we can Ritu, Paras and tell Ritu to do the homework and all. Because she doesn't listen to me, maybe she listen to you. See, when she was thinking she was no point. Hello, Bhumi, I want the solution of that.
अरे वॉल्यूम बंद कर दो हमारे स्कूल पीछे का यही तो दो ही लोग गिनना चाहिए ना और फिर मैंने कहा था कोई फर्क ही टाइम भी बंद नहीं करना है ऐसे लोगों को क्या प्रॉब्लम है ऐसा कभी करने हाँ वही ना तो जरूरत और जब तू गाँव में बस ऑर्बिट्स नहीं की है बस